recovery while incarcerated, sometimes crimes can elevate or criminal history can elevate to where you can be determined to essentially be a chemically addicted offender. We see this a lot with DUIs when you have multiple priors and you can be classified as a habitual vehicular substance offender, where the court can add an enhancement to your sentence. And also a lot with drug cases, people who have a significant drug history in their past where they're facing significant time in prison. RWI is a program in the Department of Corrections that allows people who are in jail, inmates, the ability to receive treatment they may not otherwise be able to get if they were out of custody, while also accomplishing the ultimate goal of the judicial system to help people down a path of recovery while also penalizing them. It kind of weighs that balance a little bit, if you will. So the RWI program, while you're incarcerated, allows you to have some meetings such as AA, NA, things of that, some in-depth IOP or inpatient programs, outpatient programs while you're still in custody, so more in-depth meetings with regards to any type of substance abuse, any type of alcohol abuse that you may have been deemed to have. Now, in order to be accepted into the RWI program, there are a couple things must happen. First, you have to be able to have a prison sentence long enough, because this program typically lasts a minimum of 1 year. So that means you'll be in prison for a minimum of 1 year while going through this program. I know that sounds crazy, but if you get into RWI, and if it's part of a plea agreement or a sentencing arrangement with the judge, and they deem that you're a chemically addicted offender and they want you placed in an RWI program, there's some specific language in there in any agreement or any sentencing order that the courts are looking for and that the prisons are looking for, mainly regarding potential modification of that sentence in the future. In other words, it's that little carrot dangling at the end of the line there for people who are sentenced to prison for an extended period of time under the RWI program. It gives them the added benefit of perhaps getting out of jail significantly sooner. So if you are facing a lengthy prison sentence and you do get into the RWI program, it's very important to have an attorney by your side that can navigate the waters, because again, it's very important throughout the entire process, and especially at the very end, to have the magic language, so to speak. If you have any questions, give us a call, 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.